welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Coop, aka who? Mr. Quit Playing, boy. We back out here. You know what I'm saying? We got the jet ski out here. We're on this island right now. Lake Travis. You know what I'm saying? Getting our kick it on. Let y'all see. Whole vibe right now. How you feeling this Sunday?
We are in Tulum, Mexico.
Oh my God. Just come in live, man.
It's really nice out.
It is. So she's looking good. Okay.
Stop.
This is how you catch a vibe, man. We just chilling with the bay. Chilling with the bay. I don't know, still on this island. We just got it in on the jet ski a little bit. I'll probably get y'all some shots from that too. I haven't got any. I'm gonna get you some, but it's vibing, man, with the microorganisms. You said what happened?
It's so pretty.
Oh yeah, it is.
Like it's just sand. Like this is rare. I mean, it's just so pretty.
So you said this is a different part of the place.
Yes, definitely. Like people wouldn't think that this exists in Texas. Some of the people, if you don't know Texas, but
So if you bought that water life, you know.
yeah,
If you're not, yeah, you don't know.
it's beautiful. Like the water looks so pretty. It's like a turquoise color.
You beautiful too. So yeah.
Anyways, it's like, let me explain to you guys. It looks so pretty, like the sand, like the water looks like a turquoise, a little bit darker, like a mint green. It's like really, really pretty. And you wouldn't see that unless you come to parts where like there's sand like that. But it's really pretty, relaxing. You can come tan here. Some dope Instagram pics here. Like it's gorgeous for sure.
I mean, truth be told, you can even get your barbecue on.
Yes.
But you know, these aren't the people who gonna do that. So I'm not gonna say what I mean, but these not the people who will come barbecue.
Who?
You know what I'm saying? After getting lost, we finally here. Boy, it's